Hello, my name is Brittany Lynn, and I will be showing you how to create a formative assessment using Kahoot. You will first go to your preferred internet browser and type create.kahoot.it into the address bar. Once you have reached the login screen, you will enter your credentials and click Login. On the next screen, you will click New K in the upper right-hand corner. Now we need to decide what kind of Kahoot we are going to create. For this Kahoot, we are going to create a quiz. On this page, I will show you the required components of creating a Kahoot quiz. The first piece of information required is a title. I typed animal characteristics. Next is the description. I typed a science Kahoot used to assess knowledge of animal characteristics in second grade. We now need to decide who this Kahoot will be visible to. We will click on the drop-down arrow and select Everyone. For language, we will leave it as English. And lastly, we have audience. We will click on the drop-down arrow and select School as our audience. Once you have entered those required components, you will click OK Go in the upper right-hand corner. Now it's time to add our questions. To add our first question, we are going to click on the white plus sign in the purple circle. This is the screen where we will add our question 1 information. First, we need our question. My question is, which of these animals is a mammal? Next, we need to decide how long the students will have to answer the question. Click on the drop-down arrow and decide how long your students will have. Lastly, award points. It is already selected yes, so we're going to leave that as is. Now we need answer choices. I have entered parrot, lizard, dog, and spider. Now that we have entered our choices, we need to designate one as the correct answer. The correct answer to my question is answer 3, dog. So I'm going to click the check mark beside answer 3. Now that I have entered the required components for question 1, I'm going to click next in the upper right-hand corner. You will continue adding questions in the same way that we added question 1. After adding the desired amount of questions, you will click Save in the upper right-hand corner. Congratulations, you have finished your first Kahoot. You have several choices for what you can do once you have finished. You can edit your Kahoot, preview it, play it, or share it. Once you are completely finished, you will click I'm done in the upper right-hand corner. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember, Kahoot can be used with practically any age group and any subject. Just have fun with it. Thanks for watching.